Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. A strange man comes to somebody's door late night.
This door locked in here? No, it's fucking locked. We're gonna find out. Nakia Johnson, come to the door. You carry a firearm when you high? Put that gun in the truck. You having it to me.
Welcome to Doorbell Updates. Hollywood, Florida. Two men checking car doors. Houston, Texas. A very strange Amazon delivery.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Brooklyn, New York. A package thief on a bike.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. This guy steals a package. Lake Worth, Florida. A neighbor's Ring doorbell catches somebody taking something off somebody's porch across the street. If you enjoyed today's episode of Doorbell Updates, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment for more weekly videos. Again, I thank you.